Are you in the market for a sturdy iPad or mobile device arm that you can place anywhere in your house or wherever you may be that lets you watch your favorite YouTube videos or streaming platforms? Well, I have a sick product right here from Kuxiu, and I appreciate them sending over this iPad arm for review. Comes in a really nice box, shows you all the ways you can put it this way and that way, shows you different ways to have it configured, and let's open the box here. Now this thing is what holds the product, and what I like about this is that it, you know, is like retractable, like that's super easy, but you can also put it both ways. I'll show you later in the video. So you can go this way or this way. So it can hold all different kinds of iPads and different devices. I have the iPad mini 6, so it's great for this. It's all nicely padded. It's really sturdy, hard aluminum. And when you're first using it, it takes a little bit of elbow grease to kind of like get it nice and ready. So when you're first starting to use it, don't be afraid to kind of like, give it a couple of good little things, a couple of good little sways to get it nice and working. So let's show you how you connect it to tables is this little thing on the bottom. This is really nice. And before we move on as well, I just want to show you an old iPad arm holder I have right here, which does work nice, but it's flimsy city. The Kuxiu iPad arm is nice and sturdy, nice and stable, and no crazy jitters. That part's awesome. So it's a lot more customizable and maneuverable. And again, it makes that thing like a Fisher Price toy. This thing is a beast. So let's continue. I'll show you how to set it up here really quick as well. And like I was saying at first, when you're disassembling it and getting it ready, because it is kind of sturdy, just use some elbow grease, get it nice and open, and again, we're just looking at how it is. It's really nice aluminum, feels really nice in hand. You can tell it's made out of good, proper material here. You just put it on the table of your choice, tighten it up, and you are good to go. And I really like how there's so many different ways to put it. It's almost infinite because you can put it 360, you can put it up or down. I'll also show you later. You can even kind of tilt it side to side and up and down, little micro movements. That part's awesome, and it stays really sturdy. That's how you connect this part to the thing via this little screw back here. And then again, as you're going to see in the video, once it is on there, you are good to go. I've already used this thing for a few weeks now probably, and I'm pretty much obsessed already. I really like having it in this up position too, where it's a little tighter of a grip, because then you can really move it around. It ain't going nowhere. That's actually my desk moving, so that's how sturdy it is. More examples of me moving it around. At first, don't be scared to give it a good couple of pulls. Get it loosened up, get it broken in a little bit. After it breaks in, it's really smooth, and this is one of the coolest products I've used in a while to view your media on your iPad. Better than a flimsy one, better than just on the desk. And here's me watching myself surf, which I do all the time, in the kitchen. And this is the new spot. I have it permanently. So I can cook, I can get my meals ready, and I can just check it out and watch myself on the YouTubes or the Amazon, or wherever you watch content, Netflix, whatever you're doing. So I definitely recommend this thing. It is pretty amazing. Check it out. You will not be displeased. Give it a go. So that about wraps it up for the Kuxiu iPad arm. I really like this thing. Check out my affiliate link below. I appreciate Kuxiu again for sending this over. Smash like, hit subscribe. Till next time, we out of here. Peace.